Hello and welcome to your Portuguese. Sometimes we are in a hurry and we need people to give us some space so that we may continue walking or running. Or we need to call the attention of a person to ask something, and we need to say something so that people may understand what we wish. In English, we do it by using excuse me, but do you know how to say it in Portuguese? This is what we are going to teach you today. It is very simple. You may use either com licença, or just licença, licença. To be more polite, you may add por favor, or please in English in the end, so that people may react better to your request. If you have not seen our video about how to say please in Portuguese, you may check it here in the channel so that you may increase your Portuguese learning. Now let's see some examples of how to say excuse me in Portuguese. Com licença, você poderia me dar espaço para passar, por favor? Com licença, você poderia me dar espaço para passar, por favor? Excuse me, could you give me some space for I keep on walking, please? Licença, você poderia me dar uma informação, por favor? Licença, você poderia me dar uma informação, por favor? Excuse me, could you give me some information, please? You may see that's very simple, yet very useful as well. So we hope it has been helpful for you. We hope you have liked our videos, and see you soon. Ciao! If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video. And if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comment area.